Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about pre-filter for Star Mfg part #2I-302579. A pre-filter for Wells part #2I-302579 is a type of filter that is used to remove large particles from the water before it enters the main filter. This pre-filter helps to reduce the amount of sediment and other contaminants that can clog or damage the main filter. The pre-filter is typically installed upstream of the main filter and consists of a mesh screen or other type of media that traps larger particles. The pre-filter should be checked regularly and replaced when necessary to ensure optimal performance of the main filter. This part fixes the following symptoms. This pre-filter is designed to reduce sediment, rust, and other particulates from the water supply. It can help improve the taste and odor of the water, as well as reduce the amount of chlorine in the water. It can also help protect plumbing fixtures and appliances from damage caused by sediment buildup. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the water pump. 2. Disconnect the inlet and outlet lines from the pump. 3. Remove any existing filter housing or filter cartridge from the pump. 4. Install the new pre-filter onto the pump inlet line. Using a hose clamp or other appropriate fastener, make sure that it is securely attached and that there are no leaks. 5. Connect the inlet and outlet lines to the pump, making sure that they are securely attached and that there are no leaks. 6. Turn on the power to the water pump and check for proper operation of it. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.